This issue we will share how to perform fast static GPS measurement with G60Pro GNSS Receiver. First, open ArcK Software Geodex 6.0. Click the Point Survey function in Survey to enter this interface. Then click this Survey Settings icon to enter the Settings interface. Select the toolbar, we can see these options. Find the static record and select it. Then the static record will be displayed in Display Items. Click OK. Back to this interface, we click the static record icon displayed here to enter the Option Settings interface. You can click on these options and select appropriate parameters according to your actual needs. About the observation time, we can choose 5 minutes. You can fill in the antenna measuring height here. After setting these parameters, click Start. Now waiting to start recording. Then the 5-minute countdown begins. After the countdown ends, the fast static measurement is completed. For more exciting content, welcome to follow our channel at Geodex Surveying Technology.